These are the elevators here at the Hampton Inn here in downtown Birmingham, Alabama. And check out what we have here. These are ThyssenKrupp. They have Aurora call stations down there. Let me get this one. Yes, we're going now. Nice elevated cabs. Alright, let's go up to 8. Let's go down to the lobby level. Just ring once. That's what's inside the bar service cabinet. Going down?
Yes, sir.
Come on in.
And northwest toward Park Place.
Here you go. Have a good night.
Thank you. Thank you, too.
You're welcome. Let's go back up to 8. I'm going back up.
Okay.
Focus camera, there we go. There's actually the location, Tutwiler Hotel. This is actually Hampton property, which Ryan didn't know. It was a Hampton property till we actually had to drive around again. But here we ate. It's definitely weird times. See? Tutwiler. I always think it's interesting that they use ThyssenKrupp Aurora call stations. Here's this one. This one's definitely interesting. As we're going down. It has a rear door on the side actually. So this side door actually goes to the upper level, which I will show you on video. But anyway, I think the basement's locked. Yeah. We're going somewhere. There we go. We got an Innovation Bruiser inside. Back up to 8. I'm gonna stand back here. Selfie. Here we 8. I definitely think these used to be Dover. That is definitely a gong. odd they don't show upper level. But yes, we're going upper level because I want to show you guys the other door. Here we are upper level. Here's a really nice old US mail letterbox. Sadly, does not have a lock, but that's how far we went up the steps. I find that interesting. But anyway, let's go back down. Definitely look at this. This is like a bit narrow here. But anyway, we're in video at the lower lobby level. We just went this short. Now, I'm going to show you guys the cool external floor indicators. Look at that. Isn't that cool or what? No, that's not real, but they try to keep it, you know, real. Anyway, those have been some of the nice elevators here. And I guess that is going to be it for me.